Hello ladies and gentlemen, back again with me with MotoGP Career Mode. We are arriving for our third race in Moto 2. So let's go, let's just try how are we going to do in our third race for the Moto 2. Let's go. And Portimao is not really the best circuit for us. Yeah, as you see, I finished like 19 in a free practice, and we just get bullied in qualifying one. I don't know, we just get 15. We are starting from top 3 from a very bottom. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go to the race. Okay, let's start the race, will ya? Look at that, we are starting in a last grid. In the last grid, top 3 from the bottom. Shit. Can we get a win? No, of course no. We can, I don't know. Let's just go to the race anyway. Let's go. And here we go. We start our third, and we are ready in the first lap. Just passing the finish start line for the second lap of Portimao, Portugal Grand Prix. We already made a lot of position. We are currently in a 10th place, just behind our teammates Ben Snyder. Yeah, that's great. I'm really happy how this first lap works, and we're using soft tires in front. That's why we can make up a lot of position in just one lap. But I don't know about the later in the race, because of course my front tires will be gone in just about 4 or 5 laps, and we are already in a third lap. So third lap, it's second lap into third lap. I mean, yeah, I don't know why I'm getting really hard to talk like recently, after I got a cold like yesterday, and right now I'm still not really fully recovered from my cold. But yeah, I think it's better just record and talk slightly lower voice than just sleeping all day in my bed. My body feels so heavy. We are ready into the third lap, and we are getting some more position a little bit on the curb. We already get past Ben Snyder, our teammate. We are halfway through this race, and in front of us we have Jorge Navarro and also maybe Jake Dixon, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think that's like a second or third group of the race. We have Jake Dixon, we have the other one, I forgot. Jorge Navarro, and also I think that's I don't know. And we are trying to go from the inside, but we cannot do it. We need to brake for the corner. Still in the third lap, 12 corner into the 13. Sonny Arbolino behind us is closing in, so it might be bad, because to be honest, I want to go like trying far away as possible from a group behind us. so at least we can be in a good position for the later in the race, because I reckon in fourth and fifth lap we already struggle for grip, so I don't want anybody near our back, everybody getting us pressure, so I can get a little bit easier last lap. But I don't think so. Jorge Navarro is behind us. I think we are currently in 8th place or 7th. And yeah, this circuit is not our best in terms of adaptation and also pace, because it's my first MotoGP game I'm playing with Portimao, and this is the first game I'm playing at Portimao in general, because last time I played MotoGP game with Portugal series is still with Circuit Estoril, like maybe 10-11 years ago. When I was still a kid, I play. Oh, someone's falling off. I think that's Jorge Navarro. Too much into curve. And yeah, it's MotoGP 24, 2004. Yeah, 2004, not 24. So I think it's MotoGP 4. Yeah, that's the last time I play MotoGP game with a Portugal Grand Prix. And then I don't have any device, so I grow up without playing MotoGP game or any racing game in general. But yeah, I just got back playing MotoGP game since MotoGP 2018. But I play MotoGP 18 almost 2 years, so I play MotoGP 18 for until in the middle of 2020, I think. So basically, I'm not playing MotoGP 2019 and also 2020. Because, well, I can afford to buy the game, and also I have a lot to do in a pandemic back then. And yeah, I get save enough money to buy the MotoGP 21. So I try to play MotoGP game again after vacuum almost half a year, even though the last time I played is MotoGP 18, and to be honest, the leap from MotoGP 2018 to 2021 is really big gap from the graphic, also the game, what is it, the gameplay, not the gameplay, like the realistic effect and control and everything. It's so much different. In MotoGP 18, I never get like really difficulties to win all the game. Like even when I'm playing like 120% difficulties, I will still like win in every single what is it, race. So I'm getting bored a little bit, so I try to learn how to play like fully realistic mode with all the assists off. But I don't use it's PC. It's not Xbox or PS5 or PS4. I'm using PC, and also I'm using a really cheap joystick, not from any big company or something. So you know how difficult it is to control this game with this cheap controller. Like I barely can get a better control at everything, and we are get past. I think who is that? Well, I'll talk again after that. Let's see our race. So yeah, Marco Bezzecchi get the first win, I think, in MotoGP 2021 this season, this career mode. I mean, and Sam Loes in second. Sam Loes is really strong. Sam Loes is really strong at any race. So well, he will be in a first place, I think. Raul Fernandez got third, Fabio Di Gianantonio in a fourth place. Unfortunately, last race his crash. So it's good for him for now, but unlucky last race. And we are just finished seventh behind Jake Dixon. Not so bad, because one of our rival in a championship, Remy Gardner, finished 17th. He's struggling bigly here. Let's see the championship result. Yeah, Sam Loes got first, 58 points. And behind him is Raul Fernandez with 51, 7 points behind. Marco Bezzecchi get passing us in a championship position. He boosts really big leap from 8th place to 3rd place. Well, he's winning in this race. And both of the Pertamina Mandalika SAG team is in the 4th and 5th. Bendol and Bo Ben Snyder. The triple B. We got triple B in the top 5. Bezzecchi, Bendol, and Bo Ben Snyder. That's really good for us, I think. We are not so far away. Well, it's still too early to talk about who will gonna win the championship, but we are in a good path. We're in a good track, and we are still. Oh, Mark VDS overtake us for team championship. Not by much though, but yeah. Let's go into the next race. And we here for our 4th race in MotoGP 21 Moto2 class. We arrived for Grand Prix de España in Jerez. We still got 6 weeks until the upgrade's done, so we'll wait. Let's just go to the race, shall we? Let's go. And again, we are really slow in the qualifying. I don't know if it's like the algorithm of the AI, but AI is really strong in the qualifying and in the free practice too. I got last place, but trust me, even I'm struggling in a free practice and qualifying, in a race they are really slow. Like people, well, top 10 or top 5, they are really fast, but other than them, people from top uh, 11 and behind him is really slow. Like they are braking so early for the corner. They are accelerating like slowly. So I don't know about this is about the difficulties or the AI is still in developed. I don't know, but it feels weird. Like in 120 difficulties in MotoGP 21, I cannot keep up with every single player. But 110, they are really strong in qualifying, but they are just slow. Like I can make 20 people, I mean, overtake 20 people with ease. But after that, I'm also struggle. I don't know why, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's go to the race. Hopefully, we get better in the race. And well, considering we start from the last, I don't think we will get any worse than that. Well, of course, crash. This is the starting grid. We start from the last. And to prove my what I said earlier, I will bet I can make up to top 10 in just first lap, even in this Jerez circuit. I will. We are starting from 31, and I will get past 20 people in maybe 1.5 lap. But after that, I will stop there until the race over. Of course, if not, we get making a mistake or crash or something. But yeah, let's go to the race.
Just a few moments to go until
Let's start the Jerez Grand Prix already in the first lap because we are recording a replay, so we cannot start from the very start. Like I said, I bet I can get closer to top 10 in 1.5 lap. Can we get that into reality? At least I might got 10, I think. Maybe in a 12 or 13 place after 1.5 lap. We are in a good condition right now. We get decent pace. At first, I feel when I'm designing my helmet, I thought like I want a really simple design, but it's growing on me. I think our helmet design look cooler in action. Yeah, I feel so proud of myself sometimes. I don't know. A little bit aggressive in the first corner, not first corner, first lap and second lap. Because back, in a back position under below 15 position, people are so early into the brakes and also so slow during acceleration. So yeah, sometimes I cannot what is it, I cannot help it. Sometimes I'm just rush into people, and then yeah, a little bit wide, still in a, I don't know, I think it's 14 position. This is our like negative side recording the replay, because we cannot see which turn our in, and also which position we are currently, and if someone pass someone, we can see anything happen unless we are riding with them. So yeah, that's the negative side. But positive side, we can see a lot of things going on, a lot of things in action, like in a TV camera, like just when we are watching MotoGP in our TV, or maybe we are streaming in MotoGP website. That's the positive. Like we're not stuck in our rider at any time. Like if we want to see people that finish in front of us, we can just go and see where is it. Yeah, Marco Bezzecchi are really strong ahead. He's far away, almost 1.2 second in front of I think it's Raul Fernandez or Remy Gardner. Well, we don't know. So how to know? Just switch it. Switch the camera. And we are riding with our second place, Remy Gardner. And also it's more like a sound what is it? I'm like a commentator in MotoGP. I feel sometimes something like that. So it's pretty good. I'm not really stressed out when I'm focusing, playing, and also talking at the same time, because speaking alone is really hard for me. I'm not really a confident person in general, so I'm not really talk much. But well, I'm trying to overcome my limits. I don't want to be a not so talk active person, and also I'm trying to learn English better. So yeah, I have to speak more, and I think this is the good platform to train myself, to get a little bit confidence within me. So yeah, that's great. And back to our race. Remy Gardner, Marco Bezzecchi are really almost far away. I mean, Marco Bezzecchi is still running away from him. So yeah, that's great. And not so far away behind Remy is also Raul Fernandez and Ruben Schneider in a fourth place. That's, I think that's great, because our teammate is just in outside the podium. Let's go back to our rider if we can. Where is us? This, we are stuck in a lot of place, maybe in a 11, I think. We are still fighting with Lorenzo Baldassari. Is that Lorenzo Baldassari? Yeah, It is Lorenzo Baldassari, number 7. And also the Petronas team. I don't know who is it. I think it's Vierge, and Tony Arbolino, and also Augusto Fernandez just behind him. Well, I don't expect to get a lot of position. Well, I'm aiming towards top 10 at the moment because, well, I don't want to be too far away from the point difference between us and people from the top position. So yeah, I think that's top 10 is job done for us. And this is, I think this is our last lap and into the finish line. Can we hold our position? No, Lorenzo Baldassari take us to, well, let's see where we finish. Oh, we are in 12th position. Unlucky. Just in the last corner, Lorenzo Baldassari overtake us, and yes, that's a really big L for me. A really big L. Hopefully we can do better, of course, with a lot of upgrades we need to do, and we get better by the time. And this is our rider championship. We are down 2 positions, and Remy Gardner again, he's boosting the position, jump into 4th. So basically my and Remy Gardner position is just switch position, and Sam Loes is still in the first place together with Raul Fernandez. Well, Raul Fernandez takes 2nd, but the points are the same, and Marco Besecchi is just 1 point behind. That's really what is it, close fight between them in a rider championship. And this is our team championship. We overtake Mark VDS racing team again. We got a little bit more point than them, so we overtake them. That's great. And I think that's it for today's video, guys, for today's episode. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.